crafting my own soap bars. Say goodbye to chemical-filled products that dry out your skin. Let's create something that's not only nourishing and benefits your skin, but also fills your day with an uplifting and energizing aroma. Hi, I'm Shyla from Simply Earth. Today we're creating this stunning and uplifting Heart of Gold soap. This soap is not only simple and fun to make, but its shimmer and lovely scent will draw you in. What makes this soap truly special is that it can be personalized into a thoughtful gift, making it a meaningful way to show your love. But wait, it gets even better. At Simply Earth, we're passionate about making natural DIY products easy for everyone. Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box and you'll get all the essential ingredients delivered to your door. Plus, as a special bonus, we'll include a free big bonus box with extra goodies to enhance your DIY experience. You can also find all the ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Did you know commercial soaps often have harsh chemicals that cause dryness and irritation? This recipe uses natural, skin-friendly ingredients for nourishment and gentle cleansing. Choosing our Heart of Gold soap means opting for a wholesome alternative that benefits your skin. So let's turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's make this Heart of Gold soap together. So you'll use 1 1/3 ounce 4 cubes of your melt and pour glycerin soap. This soap base has a nice lather and has clean ingredients. You'll use 1/8 teaspoon of your yellow gold mica powder. This is a natural colorant. 15 drops of your citrus burst essential oil blend, which fights against harmful bacteria, uplifts mood, and also energizes. 10 drops of love essential oil blend, which helps emotional balance such as romantic feelings and can help center brain power. This oil also uplifts your mood. You'll also need your mini heart mold from your recipe box. You'll also need a round silicone mold. First, you're gonna melt 1 soap cube in a double boiler or a small microwave safe container. If you're using a microwave, make sure you're melting the soap in 5-second intervals. Add mica powder and stir. Pour into your heart mold and allow it to set. Melt 3 cubes of soap in a double boiler or in a microwave using 5-second intervals, stirring between each interval. Add the essential oils to the soap and stir. Remove the heart soap from the mold and place it into the round soap mold. Pour the yellow soap mixture around the heart. Allow the soap to set. Once cool, remove it from the mold and wrap it or store it in a sealed container. To use, apply to wet skin like you would other bars of soap. Here are some Simply Earth tips. For a perfectly clear soap result, be careful not to overheat the soap base. When the soap gets overheated, it will bubble up and become cloudy, but it will still work like soap. If you have rubbing alcohol and a spray bottle at home, spray the molds before and after each time that you pour in the soap to pop any bubbles that form and make removing the soap from the mold easier. I love how it feels on my skin and it smells so great. Don't let the idea of making your own all-natural soap intimidate you. You can make this too. So what are you waiting for? Experience the joy of creating all-natural products easily. Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box for monthly natural DIY recipes, essential oils, and all the necessary ingredients. Each box empowers you to make skincare, cleaning products, and more, creating a toxin-free, sustainable lifestyle. Don't forget to share your soap making journey with us. Tag us on social media and use the hashtag #IMadeThis to be featured on our platforms. Plus, you can win a free $5 gift card as a token for our appreciation for joining the hashtag #IMadeThis challenge. If you're hungry for more natural DIY recipes and tips, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We have a treasure trove of videos waiting for you. So hit the subscribe now button and let's embark on this exciting journey together.